हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की हमारी वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड मोस्ट रिपीटेड इडियम्स एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जो कि बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। बोर्ड एग्जाम में अब तक ये मोस्ट रिपीटेड एक्सरसाइजेस है।
That is given on page number 236 in your textbook. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable idiomatic expressions given below. Make necessary changes in the idioms if needed. So in this box there are idioms given and you need to fill them in the blanks. See the first one. Finally our team lost dash and I was disappointed. So finally our team lost by a whisker. So this is number 1. A politician needs dash. A politician needs a thick skin. So this is number 2. Number 3, there is dash in the behavior of the culprit after his release from the prison. There is a sea change. So this is number 3. Let me explain the proceedings dash in a nutshell. So this is number 4. Rahul dash after a lengthy discussion among the members. Rahul get the nod will become got the nod. Okay. So it is number 5. Then she was prepared to dash for the shoplifting, though it had been her sister's idea. She was prepared to take the rap. So this is number 6. Okay. Next one. The new model cars are selling like hot cakes. Okay. So this is number 1. My father always dash to help the needy. My father always goes. Go will become goes the extra mile. So this is number 2. Rahul is dash since he got a job. So over here Rahul is on cloud 9. So this is number 3. This one. Then batting is dash for Virat these days. Batting is a piece of cake. So this is number 4. Then the couple dash last year. The couple tied the knot last year. So tie the knot will become tied the knot. Okay. So this is number 5. Then our boss dashed to our request to change the meeting venue. Our boss turned a deaf. So this is number 6. To change the request for the meeting.